Hey guys, it's December 9th and it's time to give away the ReoLink Bullet Security Camera RLC-511. Thanks to everyone who watched my latest ReoLink video and entered this giveaway. I hope that you had a chance to check out ReoLink's website and their Black Friday and Cyber Monday sales where you could have saved 30% off. Don't forget about my 8% coupon code, which can be stacked on any of their deals, so hopefully you took advantage of that. Again, my code doesn't expire, so feel free to use it in the future. I received 79 entries for this giveaway, and I enjoyed reading the entry forms indicating what you liked most about the camera or where you would install it. Most of you liked the daytime footage and the zoom feature the best. As for location, the install preference of choice seemed to be over your front door watching your driveway. A lot of you seem to be dealing with break-ins and vandalism, which is too bad to hear. There were a few unique comments about bobcats attacking livestock and people dumping garbage illegally on their property. So let's find the winner. I'm going to go to Google's random number picker and enter from 1 to 79 and generate, and looks like number 30. So let's see who was the 30th person to enter. And looks like we have a winner of Adrian. Congratulations to Adrian, the owner of a brand new RLC-511. It's an awesome camera, do check it out. Thanks again to everyone who entered and for supporting my channel, allowing me to share my security camera reviews and experiences with you.